Good morning. It's Charla, and I'm here with baby Lily. And we just got through with her bath, and we got a little clean outfit of the day on her. And I've got her bib on, and I thought I would comb her hair and do a feeding video. So I hope everybody's having a good day today. It's nice and cool here in West Texas, and we've got the windows open. You might hear the birds singing, but I bet it'll heat up in a little bit, and we'll need to turn the AC on, but I just love to have the windows open. I guess I just love that fresh air. Yeah. Okay, we've got a little lion bib on Lily. Yes, we do. And Lily's a hungry girl. She's been hungry for about 30 minutes, but Mommy was kind of slow getting her bath. We just had so much we had to get done. I'm going to be feeding her with a little newbie bottle. Yeah, it's one of our favorite bottles. And she is a hungry little baby. So let's see if we can get her to take her bottle today. Oh, yeah. She's taking it. Good girl. Oh, she was hungry today. Yeah, she was a hungry girl. Good girl, Lily. Linda's already gone to the center, and hubby went out to his man cave for a little while. So it's just Lily and I here today. And we're having a great time just being together. Last night I had computer problems. My internet went down. It's the first time it has, excuse me, since I've been on AT&T. So I was on with technical support for an hour, and then I got cut off, and then I called back, and I was on about an hour and a half, and they did all sorts of things, and had me go in there where the modem is, and look at the lights, and unplug it, and do all sorts of things, and oh, she's really eating good. Anyway, finally they said they were going to have to send me a new modem out. And after I hung up, I said, let me go in there and just get some canned air and blow that out and unplug everything and plug it back. Can you believe I did it and it started working? So I was so thrilled. I just felt so strange not being able to get on the internet, because y'all know that it's my pastime. Not only on YouTube, but I do a lot of research, and I love to watch documentaries and just all sorts of things. So, I was so happy to get it working. Maybe it just had a little cobweb in there or some dust, you know. Since I do have my windows open a lot, it could have been some dust in it. Good girl, baby. You're eating so good. She is a wonderful eater. Anyway, I got it working again, and I sure was glad. I guess I was up about 4 hours working on that. So I hadn't been to sleep. I didn't sleep all night. And I'm not sleeping today. I'm having a problem with insomnia, but I've got to sleep. Yeah, Lily, we need to lay down and take a little nap today. We sure do. We need to lie down and take a little nap together. I have discovered that she looks really pretty in red. Yes. Yeah, you do look pretty in red, Lily. You sure do. I just love this little girl. She is just, I just love her little eyes. She just looks at you right in the eyes, and she just smiles, and then she's good about taking her passy. Okay, sweetie. I think it's about time for you to burp. Okay. She's bringing a lot of pleasure to us. Yes, you are. Because you're just a sweet baby. Yes, you are. You're a sweet baby. You're just a sweet baby girl. You are a precious baby girl. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. And you're a good burper, too. Yes, you are. You've already burped, sweet girl. Yes, you have. So here's our outfit of the day. It's a little red and white sleeper, or white with little red flowers, and a little red headband. Yes, it is. And she's a happy girl. Yeah. Are you just looking around, Lillie? Are you just looking around? Huh? She is so happy. Oh my goodness, she's a happy baby. Yes, she is. You looking at Mommy now? Are you looking at Mommy? She looks you right in the eyes. Are you looking at Mommy? Look at YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello. How's everybody in YouTube land? Oh, I tell you, these babies bring us so much joy, don't they? I know y'all all know what I'm talking about. Lillie, do you want your passy? You want your passy? Yeah. Yeah, sweet girl. Yeah. You ate good and you burped. You've had your bath. And it's about time for you to take a little nappy, okay? Okay, Lillie? Let's see. Bye-bye, YouTube. Mommy and I are going to take a little nap. All right, guys. That's Lillie's feeding. We'll talk to you later. God bless from West Texas. Bye-bye.